If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. QuickBooks Online Plus contains many standard reports you can run with a single click. To see the standard reports in QuickBooks Online, click the Reports link in the navigation bar. If needed, then click the Standard Reports tab to the right to show the Standard Reports page. The Standard Reports page contains links to all the standard reports in QuickBooks Online. Additionally, custom reports you create from the standard reports appear on the Custom Reports tab to the right, and the separate management reports appear on the Management Reports tab. On the Standard Reports tab, you can scroll up and down the page to view the reports, which are grouped into collapsible and expandable report categories. To expand or collapse a report category, click its name. To run a report within a report category, click its name. To see a brief report description, hover over the name of a report until you see a question mark icon appear. Then, click the question mark icon to show a description below the report name. To add a report into or remove a report from the Favorites report category, which appears at the top of the report categories in the Standard Reports page, click the star icon to the right of the report name to toggle the favorite status on or off. To open a report and immediately customize it, click its triple dot icon and then select the Customize command in the menu that appears. To find a report by name, start typing its name into the Type Report Name Here search field at the top of the page to show a drop-down list of matching report titles. Then click the desired report name in this drop-down to immediately open it. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.